All right, so we're doing a little bit of a stripping project here in Land O'Lakes. Let's take a look at what we got going on. This section has been treated with our commercial grade stripper. We're about to go ahead and turn on the 8 gallon a minute hot water unit, pressure wash all of this coating off, and you can see that this failed coating has been hiding the real beauty of these driveway pavers. All right, so this is our paver sealing restoration job. We just finished up. We got that final shine on there.